miss you too.
$4 again, boss.
Guess qui ça nous joue à terre? Qui ça nous joue à terre, machine?
Guess what?
Guess what?
Voulez vivre avec, pas chercher qu'on passe. Ça qu'a tout menté, on va plaider douter, même mettez de l'eau dans le jeu. Si vous voulez vivre avec, pas chercher qu'on passe. Ça qu'a tout menté, on va plaider douter, même mettez de l'eau dans le jeu. Sans conseil, m'blé pas vous.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Bitway.
And your girl Gigi.
So c'est longtemps là nous pas posté quelques vidéos. On a tous dit nous bonne année parce que c'est en janvier nous toujours année on fait commencer. Happy New Year. On va le faire sortir là, madame va le sortir tout bon. Nous va sortir ensemble. I'm gonna miss you, mommy.
I'm gonna miss you too.
Yeah, nous va sortir ensemble. Oh mes amis, mes cheveux à belle loa. Cheveux à belle en pile.
New women? You like?
Yeah, oh baba, cool, my boo. You're so beautiful, mommy.
Thank you.
Yeah, so nous allons faire sortir là. Map sortir et puis madame map sortir. Nous allons ensemble, but I think I'm gonna vlog by myself. Maybe madam went to like vlog too.
Yeah, so basically you're both gonna just try to record on our own cameras and then have a nice little video for you guys. So, you know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And share the video.
And also don't forget to put your notification bells on.
Yeah. Don't forget everything, guys. Okay.
So keep on watching.
Okay.
So guys, while he's out, even though I miss him, I'm gonna go out too. So I got a couple of things I'm gonna grab. So this is the fit. Can't really see it because it's under the jacket. This is what I'm wearing. So yeah, so it's gonna be pretty dark out there, so maybe I'll, you know, put the camera back on when I get into the car or when I'm in the store. So I'll be back. So yeah guys, so I'm actually on my way to like a plaza. So I wanted to go to Sephora to get some makeup, and I also wanted to get some samples for some foundation. I know last time that I went, you guys see me pick up a couple, but they didn't really match my color, so I wanted to go get something else that like matched me a little better. I don't know, my skin's a little bit weird. I feel like, I don't know, like I feel like I have like a yellowish undertone but brown skin. So like I'm trying to find something that's not, that doesn't come off a little too reddish. So hold on, the police. I had to put the camera down really quick. But yeah, so I'm on my way there. So it's not too far from my house. I miss my baby. We go everywhere together. I miss him. But it's okay. I'm a big girl. So yeah. So I guess when I get there, I'll see you guys there.
Say you gon' leave me alone, then I spend back blowing up your phone. I know you ain't going nowhere, I've been raving in this shit too long. Stop playing, you know what it is. You forget why you were mad. That shit you say you'll take.
It's KGB.
music.
You van montrer ça nous va checker. It's okay. Hein? Ah ouais, ouais. Moi, je vais aller, non? Ah, moi, je vais ça. Oh, on a regardé. On va donner tout mon cher, en cause.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
So, ma petit frère là.
Yeah. Ah, vous êtes un petit frère, man. Que forme mon cher?
Ma grand frère là. So, un vlog là, madame, moi va avec là.
Yeah.
N'a enjoy nous là. Ouais. Tout à l'heure là, l'aime tourner ma parce que madame, moi n'a fait mes comme là.
Yeah.
On a get a surprise. No.
Right, guys.
Half na FHAEN family la. Half the MONESTIME'S la.
This is funny, right? I'm going to watch him give a on moitié mi là.
Yeah.
What n'a fait quand même, guys. N'a pas allé. All right.
Channel nous là. C'est cool yo. Ensemble.
Tout ça. Regarde tout ça.
On a enjoy nous là.
Enjoy nous là.
Bon, je will enjoy.
Yeah.
Si madame me va là, on va enjoy.
Nous pour contre nous.
Nous bougon.
N'a fait bloquer affaire.
Yeah, I'm feeling là tout. Là vraiment a nice place.
Bon baba, bon gars, nous nous. Nous entrer sans nous passer en sécurité. Now you got it in
No go no VIP.
VIP nous guys.
VIP there.
Nous entrer sans nous pas checker, sans nous pas faire derrière. Ils sont très bien.
Yeah. So, Paris on va checker après
Oh yeah. But guys, I'm ready. Nous est-ce qu'il arrive élévateur. Élévateur. On a plus son nom 11 floor. First floor. Hey! Ça va mon ici, mais mon ici, leur vlog.
Yeah, they know what to do.
They know what you're doing. Help you support it. Alright guys, so dapat tayo. Update sana. Oh, sa. Come here. Alright guys, so nous montrons na mauvais entrée, so nous allons virer ce côté pour retourner back en dedans.
Yeah, so oubliez mon ticket.
Yo, nous allons ticket, nous allons prendre ticket. Qui côté bas le ticket ça là? On est là. So guys, nous allons scrire le ticket. Nous allons attendre pour nous vendre tout. Voilà, nous allons. Hold on, where we get the ticket? Oh, Wayne. Oh, right here. Guys, well, let's get so sorry. Guys, nous allons dans Lexus là.
Yeah, so
Mon Lexus qui là qui est vraiment dope. Ça c'est à qui? N'a pas le ça allez.
Black man.
Yeah. Oh, copyright. Yep. Guys, my inside. Dope. Watch this. Guys, if you know, right?
Kakak gitu.
Oh, guy, oh shit. Never go give it, only me a wish. Guys, probably abonné avec Chanel et
The MONESTIME'S.
de MONESTIME'S là.
Abonné à Chanel là.
Elle a fait snow, il faut que snow. Yo, elle a douce. Ouais, là. Oh, mais elle a bien fait là.
Oh my god.
Tonton. Allez, tonton. Elle a bien fait là. Monsieur nous à pied, monsieur?
Yeah, like you happy. So,
Ah, bien fait.
Madame ne va là, man.
Yeah, madame
Beautiful
ne va là.
madame.
Bon, nous disons, madame nous consacre nous aimer nous en mesdames. Ok. So aujourd'hui c'est monsieur qui t'a fait un petit regard.
Yeah.
Ok. Next time nous savons nous monsieur dames. Les manger nous savons.
Parce que tellement
Mesdames, les dames sont si près que vous devez manger. On n'a pas la veille, mesdames. C'est pour les deux. Nous allons manger, mesdames. Pour le moment, c'est monsieur Capture. Alright. Vous voulez finir? Thank you, sir. Appreciate your help.
Alright, see you later.
Alright, guys. So now we.
Did he use trouble, this guy? He gave him trouble?
Yeah, he's good. He's really good. He's the best guy in there. Really best guy in there. You know what I'm saying?
I tell him that's my favorite car.
Oops. Guys, nous sortis. Il fait snow. Regardez vite, oui. Il fait snow dehors. La notre la porte de snow. Couille à charger snow.
Oh, get a gap. That go for no, guess.
Il y a oh, bon ouais. Oh, tennis moi. Oh, tennis moi, that's tennis moi. A glissé. Snow. Snowing in Boston.
Yeah. It's pretty cold tonight.
Yeah, guys. A bien fait là, bon. Aïe, frère qui fait là.
Yeah.
Bon. Bah, ils sont en fait. Allez, passe sur devant nous.
Là bien relax là,
Et nous parquer, nous pas payer un goût.
Oui, oui parking.
Yeah. Free parking parce que nous avons contact dans Boston. Nous avons contact dans Boston, tata. Oui. Il est en pile, lui.
Tu vas faire pile temps dedans.
Yeah. Mais c'était là, nous montrer la Boston.
Yeah.
5 heures, oui. Nous parquer en dedans là.
So yeah, guys, I just went into Sephora, got a couple of samples. Forgot about you guys because I was really like into trying to find out my color. It's snowing. Yeah, from Ferrapil, il fait fret. It's cold. So give me a second, guys, so I could find my car. It's cold. So yeah, I'm in my car. It's snowing outside. So I'll probably show you guys what I got when I get in the house. So I basically decided to just get something real neutral. And I still didn't get foundation because I'm still not sure. I don't want to spend on a foundation and I don't even know if it's my right color. So I just basically try to color down from the one that I got last time. So that way I can, you know, find out my real color. So yeah. Now it's kind of cold, so I'm probably not gonna, I don't know if I need anything else, but I do gotta get home to start cooking for my baby, for the family. So I'm probably just gonna be on my way now unless I end up thinking about going somewhere else. So yeah.
In the power if you ask me.
So yeah, guys, I made it back home. It's kind of snowing out there. Not kind of, it is snowing out there. So I don't really like to drive in the snow. So I'm home now. Excuse the bed, there's a little bit of stuff on here, but it's okay. This is why I wore the one piece. So yeah, so this is, I don't know if you guys seen it well, so let me try to show you guys again. I had got this contour stick and truffle, so that way I can get with it, you know what I mean? And they also gave me a little gift because my birthday's coming up, which is a Beauty Insider Brazilian Bum Cream. I don't know if you guys ever heard of that, but yeah, that's what they gave me as a gift, which is pretty cute. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change out of my outside clothes and get into something comfortable so I can start preparing some food, so that way when babe comes home he'll have something to eat. And yeah, so
It's KGB.
Guys, I'm going to vlog là dans mes bitway. Pendant ma passe devant, qu'est-ce qui ça nous joue à terre? Qui sont les gens qui jouent à terre dans la machine?
Guess what?
Guess what? Guess what? Yes,
$20.
$20 à terre. $20. Manik, yo bitway, manik well. Mbawite wase kwa wate no? Kwa eba isi. Eba isi. Manik well, mbote bonam di well $20. Ya mbese mbran bien rapide. Bien rapide todo. Sume desculpa. Não você vai lá já. Você não tem capaz.
So yeah guys, we're back. We home.
together.
I miss you, mommy.
I miss you too.
Scared the lagging because yeah, so je dis en ton belle petite journée, so sorti, madame sorti, et de MACHIN, et puis nous comment première fois nous sorti en bas là, alors
Yeah.
nous avons comment expérience santé, tout comment on descend pour l'autre. Oh, problème.
Mama, yeah.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, so
It's one of our first times not being together.
yeah.
But it's okay.
Yeah, so it's okay. They should see and they'll avec the family now. They get half FHAEN family, half the MONESTIME'S. Yeah, they want something different. So no family vlog now guys. But beaucoup fin famille parce que madame m'a cook, j'ai beaucoup fin cook là et puis là j'ai fin cook encore, but même besoin de famille parce que faut manger, faut manger avec nous, pour nous déjà manger bien belle. La femme qu'on cook là non? Mais ça so j'ai pas même manger femme ça manger, m'pas jamais ça. J'ai des goûts, me dit bon. Je suis délivré. Yeah, so n'a pas talent guys, c'est avec nous, n'a pas manger et puis après manger on a fait une vidéo. On vous remercie un peu le tout parce que nous avons pris le temps de battre job vidéo et puis nous still là. So I think this year we're gonna drop more videos. We're gonna drop different videos.
Yeah, we're gonna try to be more active, post more videos. Let us know, DM us, let us know in the comments what you guys want to see.
Yeah,
continue to support. We appreciate you guys.
Yeah, don't forget, the most important thing for us is subscribe, share the video, like, smash the button like, back on it. So yeah guys, like you here, we love you so much, so much. Okay, we love you. Blessing.